Welcome to the best review once again. How you guys doing? How you guys keeping, man? I'm keeping alright, man. I'm keeping. I'm a bit tired, Joe. I'm a bit tired, man. But you know, I love y'all guys too much, y'all. I love y'all guys too much. I'm here for y'all, man. Now, what I gotta wake up to this, man? What is this that I just woke up to, man? I mean, the headline goes: Zimbabwe Live breaking news: Oscar Pambuka sentenced to 6 years in jail for fraud. For fraud, son? I mean, Oscar Pambuka, why, my guy? Oscar Pambuka, why? What you be doing some fraud, son? I mean, what you be doing with some fraud, son? I mean, okay, let me quickly dive into this case, man. Now, the case reads, let me just get my stuff together here. The story reads, former Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation ZBC News anchor Oscar Pambuka has been sentenced to 6 years in jail for fraud involving $12,650 US. I mean, $12,650 US, Oscar? I mean, what were you doing with all this money, son? Anyway, man, it reads, in 2018, Pambuka and former ZANU-PF Highfield MP Psychology Maziwisa, psychology? Where you got a name like psychology, son? Anyway, let's moving on. Were convicted on charges of defrauding the Zimbabwe Power Company of $12,650 US, and each sentenced to 6 years and 5 months in prison. The rest of the term was suspended and they were supposed to serve 30 months. However, the two were not happy with the decision and decided to appeal to the High Court against both conviction and sentence. When the matter was struck off the roll in September last year, the two were supposed to hand themselves over to jail but did not. Pambuka was then convicted in another case of fraud on Wednesday and subsequently remanded in custody for sentencing. Upon conviction in the second case, the courts activated Pambuka's warrant of arrest for the previous case. Maziwisa is allegedly on the run and has not been accounted for. I mean, why, Oscar, son? Why? I mean, you are like a legendary news anchor, man, for ZBC. I mean, I remember you from my childhood days. This is Oscar Pambuka. You know what I mean? You had this swag about you. What you doing, man, defrauding the Zimbabwe electricity utility EDC company, man. I mean, what you doing, son? Now, you know, some people feeling some type of way, man, about this. I mean, personally, man, I'll be freaked out about this. I mean, at some point, you were like a Zim dancehall artist, you know, then at some point, allegedly you started a church, you were like a man of God, like a prophet or some, then at some point, some people be saying you're on drugs, you know, you be on that heavy stuff. I mean, what's going on with you, Oscar? Oscar, hit your boy up, man. What's going on with you, man? I mean, you ain't got no business doing some of this stuff, y'all. Now, some people feeling some type of way, man. I got a few comments over here. At some point, someone saying at this point it's ZANU against God. Only him can intervene. So some people believing this is politically motivated and inspired. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know about that. Someone saying life can turn around for the worse in a blink of an eye. Someone saying Zimbabwe is not safe at all. Someone saying it is well, Oscar. You will come back stronger. You know what I mean? Some saying Zimbabweans are failing to understand that the politics behind the story. Journalism is under attack in Zimbabwe. Someone saying not fraud as purported, but attempted fraud. The sentence is too harsh. You must seek for legal representation and appeal against sentence. At least 2 years was a bit fair. Someone saying at least 2 years would have been a bit fair. Look, I don't know, man. What you guys think, man? I mean, post it in the comment section. You know what I mean? Post in the comment section what you all think about this situation. You know, what you all think about this situation. I mean, is it politically motivated? Is he just on some other stuff, drugs, and is his life just, you know, upside down right now? What you guys think? Anyway, that's it from the Bless review, y'all. This is your boy Bless. Stay cool, stay positive, and remember to keep yourself safe. And I'm out.